What's up, guys? Today we're doing a quick test spin on the Honda Sabre 83 V45 Sabre because that's all we have time for. We need to go out and see if she's doing everything she's supposed to. Off the center stand. I think she fired right up with fresh gas. Drop her down. Alright. See how she does. Pop her into first. There we go. Clutch is working. Good. Front brakes are working. The question is, will they seize up? Because I did push the pistons back that one day. You guys were along for that. We made that video. Let's see if our turn signals work. They do. Alright. Let's get her out and go for a quick little spin here. Oh my gosh, traffic is heavy. Gotta pay attention. Alright, let's go. Traffic is heavy. Turn off the turn signal. Alright. Here we go. Second. I do have an interested party in buying the Sabre. And I was going to ride it this week anyway, so let's get her up to snuff and see if she still does what she's meant to do. Alright, just feeling pretty decent. This road is kind of bumpy, so I can't really tell if anything's really wrong other than the engine's running good. Everybody's out this afternoon. Alright, we do have a fuel gauge. I put some gas in it and we're over half, so that's good. Let's cook along here. Alright. If anything seems strange, then I'll know to say something to the buyer. So far, we're doing good. This is a good little test track if there's not traffic everywhere. Still have a horn. There she is. Alright. That works. Let's see, do we have any warnings? Oh, I forgot we have the gear indicator. We're in fourth gear. I forgot that was there. Fifth gear, she's working. Brakes are grabbing. We're good there. Rear drum brake. Front brakes, 2. Brakes, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Let's turn up this way. Alright, let's go this way. Open her up a little bit. Let's see, we'd be in fourth gear now. My visor is really dirty. Alright. She's working up. She still knows how to move. It's a glorious day. I gotta drive my van tonight, unfortunately. But, you know, nice little motorcycle trip real quick. Here we go, here we go, here we go! Sorry guys, I'm just excited to be on a motorcycle, especially one that's been so good to me. I wouldn't mind having somebody else ride her, because I don't get enough riding time. I got 3 bikes going right now, a 4th one on the way, a 5th one on the way, a 6th one on the way. So I can't ride them all, and the 83 Sabre 750 doesn't get the ride time that it should. Oh, it smells nice and rank out here. Smells like the manure fields got manured in. Alright, so far everything's feeling pretty good. You have your temp gauge, that's holding steady. RPMs and speed working. No warnings. There's a tractor. Biggest tires you could get on the tractors. Yeah, she's turning. She feels solid. She just has that little tap, valve tap, I think, but really usually goes away when she warms up. Uh-oh. You know what I'm doing. Let's go in here to the church. Take a turn around. Not sure why she sounds like she wants to shut down. She's fine. Oh my. There, she's coming up a little bit. Yeah, she's just needing some riding time. I don't know, maybe I'd turn the idle up a little bit, but I think usually once she gets heated up, she really is fine. Here we go. Down around the corner. That's a place I ran the bike off, the Ninja, off the road one time. That was exciting, huh? You remember that? Yeah, that was in the dark, I think. Alright. She's acting good. I feel like I'm happy with what she's doing for me. The wind is kind of crazy out here today. It's whipping around. It's been a nice little ride for me. We got 26,170 miles. Oh my gosh, I still have my for sale sign on here. How is that staying? How is my for sale sign still on the bike? That's impressive. That really is impressive. I feel like now that I saw it, I'm gonna see it blow away. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You see it down there? Like, I guess it's just wedged in there just enough that a straight-on bullet isn't a problem. Alright, now she's idling a little higher. She really just needs run, man. Running. I mean, I hear the valve tap. I think it's a valve tap. Is it something to be concerned about? I don't know. It's there. Maybe I'll put some more miles on this before it goes away. Seems good to me. We're not going anywhere, are we? Trucker, you ever gonna go? I don't know. She feels good to me. There we go. I really should let him go so that I can get a good run, but there's more cars to come. I don't want to jump out in front of a truck or a van or a car for that matter. Let's hope that my first down sign makes it home. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Load it up. That's all we get. Up through the gears to 4, got her up to 60. And that's all we get. Guys, she seems to be doing good. I'll check all the fluids, all the vitals, and we should be good to go. So maybe I'll make a sale. I don't know, I wouldn't run from this bike. I like her. And I'll see you guys on the next one. She's a good little motorcycle. Let's close this. She's a good little bike. 750 will get you where you need to go all day long. Shaft drive, minimal maintenance. We do have a center stand, and yeah, just very comfortable bike. I'll keep riding her if I don't sell it. I'd be happy to keep her on the road. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Get out and ride. Peace. Good news, the tick went away and my for sale sign stayed there. That's just crazy. All right, good deal. She sounds great. All right, old girl. And this is the fan. As long as that light's on, you can flip it and she'll come on. All right, very good. I'll see you guys on the next one.